as, as this is officially first time, we have two artists taking part in this workshop. Second artist is Beata Katerina Spacilova from Czech Republic. And she actually took part in a campaign in the highlands of Iceland in the dust measurements 2024, last August. Although we were not so much lucky about the dust and we had more the black carbon from the fires of mosses, but Beata saw the environment, she lived there for some time and she created also amazing art of it. So thank you. Introduce the other
Oh, yeah, sorry, I've got it.
I'm so sorry that you don't.
Okay. I will use it.
You heard that. So shall I put it in the full screen mode like this?
Okay, I would like to thank you, Pavla, for inviting it. And I make only short presentation on my work because I come from Czech Republic when I teach in the University of Faculty of Arts. It's from Technical University in Brno. And my research is about new possibilities of using new materials from printing classic graphic techniques. And this exhibition called name See You Tomorrow, Lost in Dust, presentation unique collection of photographic prints created using a special acetone techniques. IK elements of this work, the use of volcanic dust also, but I printing more layers from one pictures. The one it's from the acetone techniques, and the second one it's from the screen printing techniques. And sometimes I use the dust from my works. Sometimes I'm painting something, sometimes I'm printing with squeegee. It's the special things for printing from silk screen printing, but I don't have it here. And for your online people, I only show my works and that's it. This is the collection from this. Yes, sorry. It's hard to say. And the first layers, I use the classic plastic photo apparat for one using because I like errors and from this process. And after I only scan this film, and after I print in ink print, and after I use the acetone. And this is the work. Sometimes I use the paper for the printing, and sometimes I use the wood. This is from the wood. And the part of this moon, looks like moon, but it's a cracker. Because from silk screening, I like to use some structure. Sometimes I prepare everything in a computer and I use the bitmap formats. And this wood, it's from garbage, or yeah, I take somewhere in Brno. Yeah, this is another work, and sometimes I use the special color. And the cracker one, it's this layer, the white, sometimes change the color for blue because I used UV color for screen printing. And Pavla, she said hello for everyone. And this is nice place. This is the NASA walk place. I like it so much. And there you will see the dust. And There's also power, and there is the dust. And that's it. Thank you. Because they are late.
So maybe wait for the question.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to ask on the Zoom meeting, otherwise we will now proceed to the end the whole with the
Yeah.
painting itself. Are there any questions for Beata online? Okay, ask to unmute. No, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, if not, so thank you very much, Beata and Emilia, and we will stay together now. I will just